Today we are looking at an Oliver 50 left-hand gravity table density separator. This machine has been brought into the shop, completely rebuilt from nose to tail. It is in exceptional condition. This unit comes equipped with the small grains deck and the large grains deck. You can see that the decks are just in perfect condition. These have been brought through the shop as well. They're just very, very nice. We are going to run this gravity for you, one motor at a time, due to the power limitations of our shop. This is a very, very nice machine. As I said, it's been completely brought through the shop. Here is a look at the data tag. You can pause the video here for pertinent data. Pardon our background noise. We are in a working shop. Just a very, very nice machine. This unit is also set up with this very nice PowerFlex VFD. The unit is currently set up for 230 volt, 3-phase, low voltage 3-phase. It could be switched at the expense of the buyer. Here you can see we have the motorized blender fired up. No irregular noises. Works as it should. Here you can see we have the fans fired up, running the proper direction. Note the magnehelic gauges are dancing as they do. It is always important to make sure that your gravity fans are spinning the right direction. Of course, the unit has no irregular noises and runs as it should. Here you can see we have the VFD running the shake of the machine. This is infinitely adjustable. Note that the machine must be bolted down to a solid base. Gravity tables will not work if they are not bolted down securely to a good base. And that is also where we are picking up this excess vibration, as the unit is just sitting on wooden blocks. It is not anchored down. You can adjust the frequency of this VFD by hitting the up arrow. See, it speeds up, and we can slow it down by pushing the down arrow. Very simplistic, easy to use interface. These VFDs really bring these units into the next century. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. We stock the world's largest supply of all density separators, such as Oliver, Forsberg, LMC. We have several other units available, both larger and smaller. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching.